This is everyone's nightmare, right? Your phone is waterlogged, smashed to pieces, completely black and won't turn on. At this point, you only have one thought in your mind: all my photos and chat history are gone. But wait! Before you declare it completely broken or send it in for hundreds of dollars to rescue, you can try it yourself at home. Don't even think about using iTunes. That thing will only tell you to restore factory settings. What we need is deep repair mode. Gbyte's principle is to try to bypass the system drivers that malfunction due to water damage or impact, making it simple and convenient to do at home. First, click on Free Scan. This may take a while for the software to establish a connection. Then you can use its data recovery module, like a USB drive, to recover photos, contacts, memos, and chat software. Record and recover these most valuable things, drag them directly to your computer. Remember, our goal is secure the data first, then talk about repairs. Gbyte has also released a new repair function. Those interested can watch this video for details. Action is more useful than anxiety. Save this video or share it with friends you care about, because you never know when you might need it. Download Gbyte immediately and save it. Hopefully you'll never need it, but it could be your lifesaver if you do. Tell me in the comments what the worst phone disaster you've ever experienced was. Was it the toilet, coffee, or a concrete floor? If this post gets over 200 likes, I'll explain the complete steps for dealing with physically damaged phones in the next episode. Remember to subscribe to my notifications. See you next time with a life-saving tip. Peace!